Kunran major sponsors tamo, Honorable Congressman Arthur Celeste, Honorable former Congressman Jesus Boying Celeste, kunran barangay officials tamon itisawanin, lalon-lalo na kunan kawanan tamon Kapitanan Barangay Guyuden, kagalang-galang Percival Kabunggan, kunan principal tamo, Madam G. Valdez, sa sarbaran masasag nin GAS teachers, kunran Grand Alumni Council, officers and staffs, committees, sponsors, batch coordinators, fellow alumni, tan sa sarbaran nin bisitan itisawanin. Maabiga buklas ko mo yung amin. Una po sa lahat, ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa pribileyo na ipinagkaloob po ninyo sa akin na ako po ay naging kabahagi ng okasyong ito bilang speaker. Yun nga lang, pasensya na po kasi hindi po ako personal na nakadalo, pero nais ko pong ipaabot ang aking taus-pusong suporta para sa ating second Grand Alumni. Nais ko pong samantalahin ang pagkakataong ito na alalahanin at makapagpasalamat po sa aking mga naging teachers noon. Sa grade 1 kay Ma'am Leonila Kaasi, sa grade 2 kay Ma'am Demetria Duran at Ma'am Ofelia Rabaya, sa grade 3 kay Ma'am Yolanda Cacho, sa grade 4 kay Sir Maximino Cabanayan, sa grade 5 kay Sir Rogin Kaasi, at sa grade 6 kay Sir Milanio Rabaya. At syempre, nagpapasalamat din po ako sa aming mga naging principal noon na sina Sir Jose Casaklang Sr. at kay Ma'am Josepina Kaasi. Maraming salamat po sir at ma'am sa paghubog po ninyo sa aming kaalaman at pagkatao. At ano man po ang aming narating ngayon sa buhay, ito po ay utang na loob namin sa inyo at kayo po ay bahagi sa aming tagumpay. With our theme, Marigan Pididinap sa Manaduan Kon Iskilawan, I fervently hope and pray that indeed, this second Grand Alumni will bring true joy and happiness to each and every one of us. May this special event will not just be a simple reunion of graduates, but a deeper sense of bonding and get-together, fostering genuine camaraderie, true friendship, and unwavering ties, and strong unity among various alumni generations. Let us take this rare opportunity to truly bond together, reminiscing the funny, the happy, and unforgettable moments we had during our elementary school days. In like manner, may this occasion provide us the time to celebrate our success and remarkable achievements. Well, of course, with reasonable humility and humbleness, being mindful of our fellow alumni who are in a way, without prejudice, are safe to be concluded to be less fortunate in life. Needless to say, may this alumni celebration pave the way to creating new memories to be cherished and bring forth a deeper appreciation of each attendee, regardless of their social and financial standing. Let us express gratitude for their time and diligent efforts to attend to this event, despite their hectic schedules. Let them feel the sense of belonging and appreciation that each of us somehow became a part of our life's valuable experiences. May the second and all succeeding Grand Alumni Homecoming will remind us to renew our commitment to uphold and observe the principles, morals, and spiritual values taught by our beloved teachers in dealing not just with our fellow alumni, but to all other people in the community we dwell. Finally, may this event foster encouragement and become a source of inspiration and motivation to our fellow alumni to dream to become successful in life. As I have said in our alumni book, as our alma mater progresses, may we likewise advance intellectually and succeed financially. And the most important of all, may we as well grow as a spiritually matured Christian. Yes, let us empower our life financially, intellectually, socially, and spiritually, to enable us to partake in nation building by aiding our school in molding the youth, our next or future generation leaders. Before I end my message, in relation to our theme, Marigan Pididinap sa Manaduan kon Iskilawan, allow me to share these few words of wisdom on how to become truly happy in life. Well, actually, happiness is not just a state of mind or a positive emotional state characterized by feelings such as contentment, joy, and life satisfaction. But it is a manifestation of our true faith and deeper connection with Christ Jesus. He is the only source of unwavering inner peace, true joy, and endless happiness that is capable to withstand and endure life's difficult situations and challenging circumstances. Happiness is not just caused by having everything in life. Yes, actually, we may not have everything in life, but we can actually enjoy everything we have as long as our heart is connected with the source of unending joy and everlasting happiness. To end, I would like to take this opportunity to encourage each and every one of you to please donate and help in raising the funds to finance the concrete fencing of our alma mater's perimeter fence. Likewise, I would like to thank and congratulate our principal, the incumbent Grand Alumni officers and staffs, committees, batch coordinators, sponsors, and all other people who have contributed and shared their time, talents, and efforts, and even financial resources to make this second Grand Alumni become well-organized and successful. From the bottom of my heart, happy second Grand Alumni. Thank you and God bless.